Hey guys, today my sister and I are going flying. We're gonna head over to the North Shore, take some videos, then come back to practice some landings. Hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe.
Showtime Radio, Charlie, Foxtrot, Yankee, Papa Golf.
Charlie, Foxtrot, Yankee, Papa Golf. Showtime.
Showtime Radio, Charlie, Foxtrot, Yankee, Papa Golf is all set to go. Do you have any new advisory, please?
Yankee, Papa Golf, Showtime Radio, Roger. Runway 21, wind 19008. Altimeter 2957.
Roger, we'll taxi Alpha Charlie.
Roger, and you said you're going to be at 1,500?
We're just going to be below 3,000.
Oh, that's right, 3,000 below. Okay, thanks.
That was great.
Alright guys, we're back. We're taxiing. We're about to backtrack. 2-1. We have people painting the runway right now. So I think they're going to leave the runway. We're going to have to use a little bit less runway because the threshold is wet. But shouldn't be a big deal.
Yankee, Papa Golf, how far backtrack are you going to go?
We'll go all the way right before the threshold, and we're backtracking 2-1 now.
Okay, perfect. That gives me a little bit more time to get those that vehicle off. Thanks. Yankee, Papa Golf, Showtime Radio. All vehicles are off runway 21, wind 160 at 12.
Did they just paint that?
Roger, Showtime Radio, Yankee, Papa Golf is on the roll, 2-1.
Roger.
Alright. Green, green, and green. And airspeed's alive. And we're at 55, and we're up.
Showtime Radio, Yankee Papa Golf is on the downwind for departure towards the north. Yankee Papa Golf.
Yankee Papa Golf, Roger. I may lose you off radio there, so report leaving the zone to the north.
We'll report leaving the zone. Yankee Papa Golf.
And the previous report, the helicopter traffic was going to maintain 1,000 and below.
Roger, we'll stay above 2,000. Showtime Radio, Yankee Papa Golf is leaving your zone to the northeast.
Yankee Papa Golf, Showtime Radio, Roger. Advise on the way back.
We'll advise when we're on our way back, Yankee Papa Golf. Showtime Radio, Charlie, Foxtrot, Yankee Papa Golf.
Charlie Foxtrot, Yankee Papa Golf, Showtime Radio, go ahead.
Showtime Radio, Charlie Foxtrot, Yankee Papa Golf at 2,000 feet. 7 nautical miles to the northeast of the airport. We're on our way back for circuits. Go ahead with your advisory, please.
Yankee Papa Golf, Showtime Radio, Roger. Runway 21, wind 17011, altimeter 2956. Report final runway 21.
Roger, runway 21. altimeter 2956, and we'll do a straight in for 21 from the shore.
Yankee Papa Golf, roger. Yankee
Oh,
Papa Golf, shelter, throw that paint machine to exit the runway there. I'll let you know when he's off. Should only be another minute or two.
Roger, we're on a 6-mile final now. Yankee Papa Golf.
Roger.
look at this. Look how cool this is.
Do you know how many circuits you'll be doing? You'll be up for an hour, I think?
We're going to plan for 3 circuits for Yankee Papa Golf.
Okay.
Charlottetown Radio, Yankee Papa Golf is on short final for 2-1. Confirm the vehicles are off the runway.
Yankee Papa Golf, roger. Wind 180 at 8. Affirmative. All vehicles are off runway 21.
Roger, thank you, Yankee Papa Golf.
All right. 1, 2, 3. To get a bit closer, we're going to put down a bit more. 1, 2, 3. It's fun. All right.
And the threshold number, runway 21, may still be a bit wet.
Roger, we're not good enough to hit the numbers anyway, so we'll probably miss the Yankee Papa Golf.
Roger that.
I should have said at least thank you for letting us know. Because, whoa, that wind gust.
That was crazy fun.
Ah, crap, I'm over controlling. If you know what that means at all. Guessing you don't, though. Oh, that was butter. That was pure butter. And now full throttle.
Charlottetown Radio, Yankee Papa Golf is downwind for 2-1. Touch and go.
Yankee Papa Golf, Charlotte, me roger. And Yankee Papa Golf, on your last landing there, request you plan either Bravo or Charlie. I got the paint machine and vehicles on Alpha there.
Roger, we'll take Charlie Alpha to apron 2.
Okay, Magneto's master. Good out, up.
Wind 180 at 9er, altimeter 2956. Traffic, left-hand circuit runway 21 is a Cessna 150.
Oscar Alpha Foxtrot, Roger, I copy you now, calling 3 years old.
Oscar Alpha Foxtrot, roger. And just say again your altitude?
I am now up 700 feet.
Yeah.
Charlottetown Radio, Yankee Papa Golf is final for 2-1. Touch and go.
Yankee Papa Golf, roger. Wind 1808.
There's a huge orange wheel over there. It's really weird.
That does look kind of like a wheel. Crap. Alright, that wasn't too bad. I wonder if they did anything to the wheels. Because it does feel different. Because I feel like that should have been a bouncy landing. But it might not have been bouncy just because of the wheels. They might have done something to them. Alright. Rotate.
Charlottetown Radio, helicopter Charlie Golf, Oscar Alpha Foxtrot. We're just entering your zone there now.
Oscar Alpha Foxtrot, roger. Traffic just airborne off runway 21. Cessna 150 in the circuit, left-hand circuit. And I've also got a couple of vehicles on taxiway Alpha. Yankee Papa Golf, Charlotte Radio traffic just entered the zone from the southeast, just crossing the Hillsborough River There's an inbound R-44 helicopter at 700.
Roger, we'll keep an eye out for him. Yankee Papa Golf.
They'll be taking it directly to apron number 2.
There's another orange wheel. It's like a power line thing.
Oh, yep.
Would you rather do a right-hand circuit on this one to keep you away from that traffic?
Yeah, sure, I'll do a right-hand circuit for Yankee Papa Golf.
Cool. Let's do a right-hand circuit. That's cool.
What's a right-hand circuit?
We're gonna go to the right.
Okay.
I've not done a right-hand circuit in a while's time.
Oscar Alpha, Foxtrot, the traffic just south of the field there by about 2 miles. We're going to do a right-hand circuit on this one to keep them on the west side of the runway.
Oscar Alpha, Foxtrot, yes, Alpha traffic in sight.
Sir.
Crap, he has me in sight. Where is he?
Inside turn radio, Oscar Alpha, Foxtrot.
Oh, that's a lot harder to see.
Oscar Alpha, Foxtrot, Roger. Again, check the vehicles on Taxiway Alpha, wind 160 at 9er.
Showtime Radio, Yankee Papa Golf is downwind for 21. Full stop.
Yankee Papa Golf, Roger. Check full stop on this one. Report final. And Bravo or Charlie on the taxi.
Roger, Wilco, Yankee Papa Golf.
We might be a bit close to that runway. I feel like we're creeping in. It has been a while since I've done a right-hand circuit. I'm glad he asked me if I wanted to, though, because it's always good to do things you don't normally do, right?
Yeah.
All right, you see it there? It's way harder to see on this side, that's for sure. 2, 3. And let's turn right away.
There's still snow. Funny.
That is funny, especially on a day like today. You'd think that today's a day that you really wouldn't see snow. But it is hot.
Showtime Radio, Yankee Papa Golf is final for 21. Full stop.
Yankee Papa Golf, Roger. Wind 160 at 9er.
There's something up with those tires. That landing felt weird. Nothing bad with the tires, I mean, just different. Like, normally with those tires, it would be like boom, boom.
Yeah.
Because that was not the best landing, in my opinion.
Yankee Papa Golf, Charlton, are you down to taxi speed there now?
Affirmative for Yankee Papa Golf, and we'll be turning on Charlie.
All right, I'm going to send a couple of vehicles out down to 03 there from the Alpha Taxiway, if you don't mind.
Yep, we're down now. Yankee Papa Golf.
Yep.
Showtime Radio, Yankee Papa Golf is taxiing Charlie Alpha, taper 2.
Yankee Papa Golf, Charlton, Roger.
Showtime Radio, Yankee Papa Golf is down and clear of all runways and taxiways on apron 2. Thanks a lot for your help today with everything.
Yankee Papa Golf, Roger, no problem. Enjoy your day.
You too.
Securing aircraft on. Off. Radio's off.